In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to live stream mobile games on TikTok. Let's get in. First, launch your TikTok app. Now, click on this plus option given at the bottom middle. Now, over here, you're going to find a fun option. Navigate to the option live. Then set it to mobile gaming. This will switch from your camera to your screen. Enter your title. Add topics, goals, or polls if you'd like. Adjust layout between landscape or portrait. You can also turn on subscription, share your stream, and access settings. When ready, tap Go Live. Select your game topic. Once you select all of these, click on the option Go Live Now. Exit TikTok and open your game. You will see chat and viewer count on the side. To give your audience the best view, close or minimize the side panel so the full game is visible. Start playing. Everything on your screen is now live. To check that, swipe back into TikTok. You can access settings, add polls, or make changes anytime. When finished, tap the power icon at the top right. Then confirm to end your live. Afterward, you will see your analytics and a playback recording of your stream. And that's it. You are now streaming your favorite mobile game directly on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.